Hello everyone and welcome back to the first video on the second channel, and this channel is going to be completely different from the other channel. The main channel is playing games and having fun and stuff like that. This channel is going to show you how to do, almost everything, that I know, but it's like, how to do certain things and stuff like that, and basically to show you how to master technology. So if you're interested in that, then leave a like, subscribe. Come on, we've already got like 24 as this video is going out. That's before we've been uploaded, so you must clearly like tutorials. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get custom skins and already pre-made skins into Minecraft, Java Edition, and Bedrock Edition. Now, this only works as I'm recording this on PC and mobile. On consoles it doesn't. You have to do you can't make it. You actually have to make it on PC, and then you have to do like lots of files, which I might do in the future. If you want that, then just tell me. But yeah, you basically can't do it on Xbox or PS4 or Switch. But if you've got a PC or a mobile or a Mac, I think it's the same on Mac. I'm not sure though. It should be exactly the same on Mac. So yeah, so let's get into this video. Step 1, you need to go to any skin editor you know, but today we're using Skindex, which is minecraftskins.com, which description below, so you can just click it and then you'll be straight here. And what you want to do, if you're looking for just like a certain skin that's like famous or like a movie or it's a YouTuber, then usually just like, as you can see, look, there's Bad Boy Halo, he's a YouTuber. And then there's other people, or like people who just made Herobrine, and just random skins, or like Game Boys and stuff. And there are loads here and they're recommended, and you go to multiple pages. I believe it's endless. And then you can actually search. So like if you search Iron Man like that, then look, you have Iron Man, Spider-Man. Obviously the middle might be good, and if you really want a good one, then you might have to either ask a friend, or like that one's a decent one, or ask a friend, or just make your own. But if you're not good at making your own, then just ask your friend or anyone you know. If you don't know anyone, then I don't know. But if you wanted to actually like make your own, then I'll show you how to do that in a minute. But first I'm just going to show you how to download them. So we're going to download this Iron Man here. And then if this usually pops up, what you want to do is just literally press close, and then it just comes on. So as you can see, so you've got what it looks like there. You have like the character there. You have a background and stuff, which means you can like change the background of it, or like that, and you can see what it looks like. I don't really change the background; it doesn't really matter. And you have upload to Minecraft.net, which is like the official Minecraft thing. Or you can download it, or edit the skin, or edit to like your wardrobe and stuff. And you can see when it was posted, and like it's 2 days ago, and people have viewed it and people have downloaded it. I don't know what that one means. I don't know, maybe it might be how it edited. But if you wanted to say download this, you go onto you press download, and then it literally just downloads it right there, and then you've got it. And then what you want to do, you have to go into your files, and then you want to find what it is, which we'll get into now. Step 2, you go to File Explorer, or if you're on Mac, then wherever you like your File Explorer you use is, and then you go to Downloads, which will be like your Downloads tab, and you press them at the very top one, and it's .png. And then what you want to do is you want to either leave it there if you really want, but I would recommend making a folder for like all your Minecraft skins, and not big files, they're tiny files, you can have loads of them, but like make like a folder like I've got all my Minecraft skins here, and as you can see that this is the Iron Man one here, and it'll have like random numbers of like when it was made and stuff. So you're going to do, you want to right click it, you're going to go all the way down to rename. I'll go to that. You don't have to do this, but it's a lot easier to know which one's which. And then you just press the backspace, and then you just type whatever you want to call it. I'm just going to call this Iron Man. But there has to be no space between the last word, the last letter, and .png. There can't be space. And then you want to just press enter or whatever, like you press on that, and then there you go. So now you've got it right there, and then the only last step to do is to just go to Minecraft, and I'll show you how to do that. and I'll show you how to add it to Minecraft now. Once you're in Minecraft, you'll have the same screen like you got always, depending on what version it might change. But if you're doing it around about now, then you'll have this screen. And then you'll see your account there. If you signed in, make sure you signed in. And then if you're not signed in, there'll be a sign in button there, and it'll say sign in, and you've got to sign into your Microsoft account. But this is on Bedrock Edition, by the way. And then what you want to do is you want to go to profile, like that, and that'll show you all your skins that you have, and then you can add some. And then, so this Alex here, what you can do, you can press any of them. Edit character, and then this is where you can make like the ones with the random stuff. It's not as good as this. You go to this one, you go to owned, and then on PC, Mac and mobile there'll be import, whilst on console there is no import, that's why you can't do it. And then you press it, as you can see this is one I'm currently using in my imported one, and I'll say import an image file from your device to use your skin. This will not sync between devices or games, so you can't put it on your PC and then it won't appear on your Xbox, because that's what it's stated, it won't sync between devices and games. And then you want to press choose new skin, and I'll open this. And then it might not open this exactly, but you just got to find where you've saved it. It's where you want to know, and then you go and you want to find which one you want. I want ID Iron, and you just double press, and then it says choose your correct model type. And you look at them both, and do you want a slim one or a wide one? I'm going to choose wide one, and there you go. Now literally, your skin. So now if I go into like a world, which I'll get up now. Then once you're in your world or server, this will work on servers by the way, or your friend's realm, or your servers, you know, on the public servers, or just your worlds, to be honest. It will, as you can see, if I go to that, you can see that I am wearing this skin. And then you can see the back, the front, and you literally have a custom skin. And you can make your own, or you can just, you know, download one that someone else has made if you don't know how to do it, or you just don't want to make one. So yeah, it's so simple. Yeah, it's so worth it. So yeah, so now we're going to go to how to make your own skin, or how to edit someone's skin. So we'll go into that now. Now we're back in Skindex, and you can either search whatever you want, or I'm just going to choose, let's choose this one. So there we go, Wizard with Special Effects, Trust Me, collab with, yeah, just, I don't know, not really care. And then you press edit skin, like that, and then it'll open this. And then what you've got is, as you can see, this one's very detailed, and you can move this, and I see the numbers change. So remember, if you say you want this blue in like all his legs, like that, then remember that blue for when you do this side. Because if you change like that, there's no way. I don't think there's any button there that takes you back to that, because the numbers. You try to remember the things. So this is where you edit it. So it's basically so simple. So you have the body, which is like the very inside, like the proper on your skin, and then you have the outer layer, which is this. Oh no, sorry. That's the outer layer, and that's the body. So I got that mixed up then. And then if you want to do like the bottom of his head, which you will need to do if you're making your own skin, you want to press it, and then you can do it there, and you can edit that. Off his inside of his arm, just press it and then press it back and do that. And it's basically, you know, how you edit inside, or you can do that and you can get all of them, you see. So it's quite useful. This is the like it, you know, it rubs it out like that, and then you can, if it's like a bit you don't like, you can just like say you want to change his arm, you could just do that, and then you rub it out. This, I believe, so like see this colour here. This will give it random colours that I like, this colour that I have, and does it like, so it's kind of like just, if you want like this kind of like in your pants, this will like texture it. So if you don't just want just one colour in your pants, but you still want random, then this will like kind of texture, see how it's different colours, but it still represents it. And then if you like with this, if I go to like red, the bucket basically changes the whole thing, so like that. It does the whole like square, like, so instead of having to do each individual particle, if you want them all the same colour, then you can just literally just do that, and that's how simple it is. That, but obviously, and there is this is the undo button. You can actually undo, so if you don't want to, you can then go back. So these are like the undo button in case you make a mistake. But then you're like, oh no, actually I want to have that back. You can just do that. This button is the dark colour. So like, say you have like a really like yellow colour, you like this, like that. So I'm just going to that. But then you want it a tiny bit darker, so you press that makes it darker, or you can do that to make it lighter, as you can see. Just so if you want that type of colour but you want a darker lighter, use those. This zooms in on the skin, so you can see the pixels a lot better. Just so you're not this far out, and it kind of can get hard. This is obviously where you can reset the body, so you can reset, and I'll say you sure you want to do it because you'll lose everything. This, I believe it kind of like just like colours. Like, see how it's colouring a bit odd. That's what it is. So then once you're done with it, you have choice of slim or classic. So the slim is where they're 1 pixel slimmer on the, like when you saw me on with the Iron Man, you had a choice of which one. I chose the right one. That would be classic. If you want a slim one, you want a bit linear, then that's what you do. Or if you do that one, see he's wider, so he's got 1 pixel wider. But I'm just gonna use slim for this one because this one is slim. And then your edited version, you can upload to Skin Decks, which is like the ones like this one was uploaded to Skin Decks, like we found it and we just pressed it. You can upload from your computer, so if you have one, like if I go to that and then you go to wherever you've got them saved, then you can you can basically upload it to your computer, upload the skin to your computer, to the Skin Decks, and then you can edit it, you know, or you can just like, you know, it's basically whenever you have your own skin or you want to edit it after a couple of years, you can just edit it whenever you want. That's very useful. And then you just have to download, which we'll do in a second. So that's pretty much all for editing other people's skins. And then you just press download, and then same process, it'll just download it, and then that's it. So now we're going to how to create your own skin. So we're back to the page that when you come on, and now I'm going to show you how to make your own skin. So this is if you want, just like you want to make your own skin, or you want to make something to upload to like a skin editor or something. That's what it's for. So as you can see, you got latest, recently commented, editor, upload, or skin grabber. So you want to go to editor, and then as you can see, this guy's still here because I was editing it before. What you can do is you can reset the body, and then it'll be empty again. So this is what it'll be usually like for you if you've never used it, and then you've got all empty. And first of all, you usually want to do is you want the body first, if you do anything body, and then you'll move the colours like that, and then you can do the eyes, you know, or the skin. It really doesn't matter what you do, just like that. And it's basically exactly the same as the editing the other person's skin. Just this is your own skin. You can do, like, you know, you can do whatever you want with the other one, but this is if you want to start from scratch. And then if you've made a mistake, do that. Or you can undo. You can basically exactly the same. And then you just press download, and then you find the folder, and then you do exactly like you did with the Iron Man one. So that's going to be it for this video. If you find this useful, then don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll greatly appreciate it. If you're not already, subscribe to my main channel, links in the description, Basher Beast 1. We're trying to get all the way to 100 subscribers, and we're also, you know, this is the start of this channel, and if you sign up for the content, then make sure you tell me. And if there's any tutorials that you want to know you want me to do, then comment down below, and if I know how to do them, I'll figure out how to do them, and then I'll show you guys how to do it, because I'm up for anything as long as I know how to do it and it's appropriate. So yeah, that's all from me, and I will catch you in the next video.